My name's John Hardman. I'm the visual arts teacher here at Okamic Middle School, and I have 5 different classes that I teach. One is Art 1, and I've got Art 2, Art 3, 3D art, and photography. The Art 1 class is kind of an introduction to art. We use a lot of different mediums, and for the most part the kids are learning the elements and principles of design and kind of going through the rules of making good art. We also do some art history, which would be ancient art and classical art, and in some cases even prehistoric art. In Art 2, we transition into modern art and start talking about modern art and start learning kind of how to break the rules. We also learn some advanced drawing and painting techniques, or more intermediate drawing and painting techniques. And then in Art 3, the students are responsible for creating their own original concepts. So instead of looking at other people's art and trying to copy their art, they're coming up with their own ideas, their own original ideas, and learning different ways to do that. They're also studying things like copyright and developing portfolios to help them get into high school art programs. In my three-dimensional art class, we are focusing mostly on hands-on activities. We're building three-dimensional objects. We're sculpting using ceramics, we're using plaster, we're using wood and plastic to actually build things, and it's mostly designed to teach the kids problem-solving skills. The photography class focuses on teaching them how to transfer the elements and principles of design that they've learned in art into photography. And they're learning basic composition skills, they're learning printing techniques, traditional printing techniques. We have a dark room where we're making prints and we're developing negatives and mixing chemistry. And we're also just learning how to compose photographs and how to talk about and critique photographs. I'm Mr. Hardman, and I hope to see you here at Okamic.